Hello students, our today's welcome back to online classes. Our today's topic is shopping. So SHOPPING, shopping. Lesson number 7. Number 1, getting ready. Look at these pictures. Look at this picture. Now you can see over here the pictures. Look at this picture. Okay, what is the lady doing? You have to write this one. What is the lady doing? Why is the girl crying? Why the girl is crying? You have to write. Okay, and what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? Do you like to go shopping with your parents? You have to write. Do you like to go shopping with your parents or not? Okay. Number 2, reading. Ranu and Chintu are shopping with their mother and father. There is a family. There is a 4 family members: father, mother, and one daughter and one sister. One daughter and one son. Son name is Ranu. Son name is Chintu and daughter name is Ranu. Okay, Ranu and Chintu are shopping with their mother and father. Ranu and Chintu went shopping with her mother and father. Mother and Chintu go to the fruit and vegetable shop first. At first they went to fruit and vegetable shop. Okay. Please give me some onions and potatoes, says mother. Mother said to shopkeeper that please give me some onions and potatoes. Okay. She also buy grapes and pineapple. Mother buys grapes and pineapples also. Okay, in that shop. Father and Ranu go to the book shop. Father and Ranu will go to the book shop. It is a big shop. That is not a big small shop. That is a big shop. Okay. Do you have a book of fairy tales? Asks father. Father asks to that shopkeeper that there is a book of fairy tales or not. Okay. Do you have books of fairy tales? Okay. Yes, I do. That shopkeeper said to father that yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. That means shopkeeper, in that shop there is a book of fairy tale. Okay. Father buys a book of fairy tale for Ranu. Father buy a book of fairy tale for Ranu. For Chintu, he buy a pictures of book. For Chintu, he buys a book of pictures. Okay. Mother and Chintu are in the toy shop now. Now, the mother and Chintu are in toy shop. Okay. Is that a teddy bear? Asks Chintu. Chintu asks to that shopkeeper that is that a teddy bear? Shopkeeper says, no, isn't it? Shopkeeper said, no, it is not. Okay. It is a whistling monkey. It whistles when you touch it, says the shopkeeper. Okay, when you touch that monkey, it will whistles. Okay, whistles. You know what is the meaning of whistle? May I have the please, says Chintu. Chintu says to shopkeeper that may I have that teddy bear? May I have that monkey? Sure, yes, says the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper says to Chintu that yes, sure. Father and Ranu are at the bakery. Father and Ranu are at the bakery. Bakery means where bread, buns, cakes are made and sold. Okay. Ranu look at the shop window. Father buys bread, buns and biscuits. Ranu sees a big chocolate cake. In that bakery, Ranu sees a big chocolate cake. She wants to buy it. Ranu wants to buy it. Not now, says father. Father says to Ranu that not now. Wait until your birthday. Father said to Ranu that wait until your birthday. Okay. Mother and Chintu met them in front of that bakery. That means Ranu and Chintu meet father and Ranu in front of bakery. They go together to the footwear store. Okay. Footwear means store means shop. Okay. They all went to footwear shop. Okay, footwear store. Chintu buys a pair of slippers. Chintu buys a pair of slippers, and Ranu buys a pair of sports shoe. Okay. Chintu sees a snack bar. Chintu sees a snack bar. Chintu sees a snack bar. Mother, please let us go in. Chintu says to mother that mother, please let us go in that snack shop. Okay. Ranu says I am hungry. Ranu says I am hungry. Mother look at her watch. It's getting late, she says. When Ranu says I am hungry, mother look at her watch and she says it's getting late. Father says never mind. Let's eat something. Let's all eat something. Father says, never mind, let's eat something. Let's eat something. They all sit in the snack bar. Snack means small amount of food eaten between big meals. Okay. That means in the snack bar, the children, what would you like to have? Asked father. Father asked to Ranu and Chintu, what would you like to have? Could I have some hot samosas? Ranu says, could I have some hot samosas? And Chintu says, could I have a plate of aloo chaat? And mother says, coffee for me, please. And father says, I'll have a cup of tea. Free understanding number A, who said the following? Write the sentence below the right pictures. Okay, I have done this for you. You can see and you can do. Okay. Number B, choose the correct answer and complete each sentence. Number 1, mother and Chintu go to the. You have to choose the correct answer and complete the sentence. I have done this for you. You can copy this in your book, in your notebook or in book. Okay. Mother and Chintu go to the toy shop or fruit and vegetable shop. We already learned that they went at first in fruit and vegetable shop. Father buys a book of fairy tales for Ranu. Okay. Number 3, father buys a big chocolate cake or bread, buns and biscuit. We have already learned that father buys bread, buns and biscuit at the bakery. Okay. Both Chintu and Ranu go to the footwear store together. Chintu asks for a plate of aloo chaat at the snack bar. Mother also buys some grapes and pineapples. Okay. Look at the pictures and write the correct words under them. There is 2 girls, that means you have to write 2 CHILDRE and children. 1 shoe, 2 brushes, 6 shoes, 10 potatoes. You can count and write. Okay, 10 potatoes, many teeth, 1 tooth, 1 child, 1 brush, 1 potato. Okay. Number B, write correctly under each picture. 1 is done for you. You can see over here, 1 is done for you. 2 trays, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 buses, 4 planes, 3 humans, 2 legs, 1 child. Okay. Now 5 words. Match the words with the pictures. You have to match the column. Okay, match the pictures with words. Boots, 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 boots. Slipper, slipper, slipper. Sneakers, sneakers. High heels, sandals. Okay. Number B, how many of the words in the pictures can you read? Write the boxes in the list. You can see over here the pictures. Now you have to read, and you have to tick on those box which you have seen in this picture. Okay. Petrol pump, petrol pump, petrol pump. Children dresses, children's dresses. Out, out. Yeah, like this you have to do. I have done this for you. You have to copy this in your book. Okay. Now here this is